Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen tank regulator. First, always prioritize safety. Before you begin, make sure your oxygen tank is securely upright and stable. Take a moment to carefully inspect both the regulator and the tank valve for any signs of damage or debris. It's also crucial to confirm that your regulator is the correct type for your specific oxygen tank valve. These initial steps are vital for safe and effective operation, ensuring a smooth experience from the start. Now let's attach the regulator. Carefully align the regulator's inlet with the oxygen tank's valve outlet. Once aligned, begin to hand tighten the regulator's T-handle or nut until it feels snug. For a secure, leak-free connection, use a wrench to give the nut an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the seals. A proper seal is essential for preventing oxygen leaks and ensuring efficient delivery. With the regulator attached, it's time to open the tank and set your flow. Slowly turn the tank valve counterclockwise, opening it fully until the pressure gauge indicates a full tank. Next, locate the flow selector knob on your regulator and carefully adjust it to your prescribed oxygen liter per minute setting. Always double-check this setting. As oxygen flows, listen closely for any hissing sounds which could signal a leak. If you hear a leak, close the tank valve and retighten the regulator. Finally, let's cover disconnecting and proper storage. First, completely close the oxygen tank valve by turning it clockwise until it's fully shut. Next, bleed any residual pressure from the regulator by allowing the remaining oxygen to flow out until the gauge reads 0. Once pressure is released, safely remove the regulator from the tank. Always store both your oxygen tank and regulator in a clean, dry, and well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures, to maintain their integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.